In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change safe search settings in Microsoft Edge tutorial. This quick guide will help you tailor what you see in your Bing search results. Whether you are setting up a family device, working in a professional environment, or simply customizing your own browsing experience, Safe Search lets you control how much adult content appears in your results. And the whole process only takes a moment. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the address bar at the top, type Bing.com and press Enter to go directly to the Bing homepage. Once you are there, look to the top right corner of the page for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Click that icon to open the menu in the menu panel that appears. Click Safe Search. This takes you right to the Safe Search controls where you'll see 3 levels to choose from. Let's quickly walk through what each one means so you can pick the best fit. Strict is the most protective option. It filters out explicit text, images, and videos from your search results. This is a great choice for shared computers, family devices, classrooms, or any time you want the highest level of screening. If you are managing a space where a broad audience might see the screen, Strict helps keep things clean and predictable. Moderate is the default setting. It filters explicit images and videos but not text. Many people prefer moderate because it blocks the most sensitive visuals while still allowing you to find information that might discuss mature topics in written form. It's a balanced option for everyday browsing. Off turns filtering off entirely, which means adult content won't be filtered out. Choose this only if you are comfortable with unfiltered results. Keep in mind that some organizations, networks, or device level controls may still limit what appears. Regardless of what you choose here, once you've selected the level you want, click Save. This confirms your choice and applies it to your Bing searches in Microsoft Edge. If you don't notice an immediate change, simply perform a new search or refresh the page. Your settings should persist in this browser, so you won't need to revisit it unless you want to make a change later. That's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Edge, go to Bing.com. Click the menu icon, choose Safe Search, pick Strict, Moderate, or Off, and click Save. You now have full control over how Bing filters your search results in Edge. Thanks for watching.